when it comes time to prepare for trial, there's a lot of work to do. And that's where, by devoting our time and our energy into the preparation of the case, we feel that we get some of our best results. It's important, the legal concept is called mitigation, but what it really means is that the person has to try and show that they've tried all the different things that they possibly could do to get better. And we know that the defense will often come back later on and say, well, they were prescribed an antidepressant, and if they just took that, every of the symptoms would go away. The medical evidence would show that these are the kind of things that might have the effect on the person like a cup of coffee. But we make sure that they walk through each and every one of those steps so that at the end, we can show that they've done everything, tried everything, and what the deficits we see are what's left. And in order to measure that, in terms of a legal process, you really have to involve a lot of different experts. We can involve psychiatrists, psychologists, people that do vocational testing and assessments, people that do what are called functional capacity assessments to see all the details of what the person's daily life is and where they need help. If you involve all the appropriate experts, and even in a mild traumatic brain injury case, that could be a number of experts, they will help by showing all the different areas of success, but by looking at all the areas of success, they also reveal all the minor or seemingly minor areas of failures, for lack of a better word, that really can impact a person's life. Putting them all together and by interviewing everyone in their family and all the other collateral witnesses, you can really show the impact on an individual. One example is that many people today are self-employed. Self-employed people might have aspects of their job that are simple, but really, being self-employed, the biggest challenge is it's kind of like juggling 27 balls up in the air. And if you have a mild traumatic brain injury, it might mean that you can only do 14, metaphorically speaking. But the impact of that is that the whole business falls apart. And really being able to take care of people like that and understanding that while somebody can say, but you can juggle 14 balls in the air, doesn't answer the question of how their lives look, doesn't explain how their lives look like, because now they're really struggling. And while they can still do some things, there are many areas of deficit that we can ask for a significant amount of compensation for once we're able to show that all the pieces aren't working the way they should and the person needs a lot of help.